Good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in today's video I'm going to be doing I'm going to start a mini makeover in my son's room, my youngest son's room. I am currently sitting on his little toddler bed, but he's going to be upgrading to a twin size bed, and I'm going to be bringing in a few videos back. It's probably back maybe September, maybe. I don't know. I bought a real wood, what are they called? Wardrobe thing that's currently in my room that I think I'm gonna bring in here just because his little antique dresser, like the drawers are really hard to open and close, and it's busting at the seams because there's just so many clothes in there. There's only 3 drawers in it, and honestly I could probably downsize his clothes, but because he's a toddler and likes to make messes, we do go through clothes and things like that. So I don't know, I just want to bring something in here that can organize his things more, and I can actually put more than just his clothes in it, which will be really helpful. And then I have a little rast chest of drawers from IKEA that I'm going to paint for this room. He's got his twin bed. It's a metal white frame, which I'm super excited about. Yeah, I'm just ready to get this room organized because honestly, I'll show you. I'll flip you around here in a second. It's not really organized. You'll see that in a second. And I need to go through his books because I need to declutter them. He has way too many books. We don't read a lot of them. So I need to go through them and declutter those. And yeah, I really want to work on this room and get it done. And I need to figure out a curtain situation because I noticed in his brother's room, he likes to go in his brother's room and lay on the bed, and he likes to pull on the curtains, and now his curtain rod is bent down a bit in there, and his bed currently isn't, he can't do that, but the way that the twin bed has to go in here, it will be against the wall where the curtains are. So I need to figure out that situation. I might just go to a blind. I don't know if that'll happen right away, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna flip you around, show you what's going on in here, and show you kind of like what my idea is. Okay, so this is like when you first walk into the room. I have his basket of books here right now. Like I said, I need to go through those because we really don't read a lot of them. This is his antique dresser. I want to keep this. I'm gonna put it in my room where the wardrobe is right now, just so I can put some stuff in it until I'm gonna order some IKEA wardrobes and customize them for our bedroom later. Sorry about that. My camera died, so I had to grab another battery. Like I said, this is his chest of drawers. I'm gonna switch this out for my wardrobe that's in my room, but I'm gonna keep this because I do love it. I mean, the drawers are a little bit hard to use now. And then that's just his stuff on there. He's got a basket of Mickey Mouse plushes. He's got his chair here. His trampoline is in here right now for his sensory thing. He likes to bounce. And then this is his twin bed, toy box. I have his map there. And this is currently his closet. And I just really want to get things organized. Because right now it's just like everything is everywhere, I feel like. And like I have books here and I have books down here. And I really want to get it organized. So what I'm thinking is the twin bed's going to go here so that I just can walk in straight and go get him when I need to. Because the other night, so he likes to play in the night before he falls asleep sometimes. And I had all his toys picked up before we went to bed. Then he woke up through the night. Sorry if you can't hear me, my furnace just turned on and it's super loud. Anyone who lives in a mobile home knows what I'm talking about when their furnace turns on. It's so loud. But this toy here was on the floor and I tripped on it. I fell, I hit my hand with him in my arms, and it was just not fun. So I'm hoping that if I just have a straight in way, it might make it a little easier. We'll see. But I'm gonna paint that little chest of drawers, I think, and then we're gonna start working on this room. Okay, sorry that it's dark in here. It's overcast outside right now and it's still early morning. It's only 9:30 and Cooper's at school, so I figured this is the best time to paint this. This is that little chest of drawers from IKEA that I was telling you about. I did put different knobs on it, which I kind of like better, but I'm gonna paint this. Excuse my kitchen, but I got some Behr paint, and I got the color French Colony, which is like a really pretty blue. And so I'm gonna paint that blue, paint this blue, and then eventually I might get to it today, we'll see. But his mattress in a box came, and then his bed frame came. It's just a white metal frame twin bed. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. But first we're gonna get this guy painted. Okay, so I was able to get the bed to this point. I got the headboard and the footboard done. I moved the dresser from this corner to that corner because I'm not going to move the wardrobe in here today. I still need to do a lot of organizing of clothes and things. But I got to go pick up Cooper from school now. So I'm hoping to get this. This needs to be done before tonight, obviously, because he needs the place to sleep. So when I get back from picking Coop up, I'm going to finish making or putting together the bed and then getting his mattress out, and yeah, we'll go from there. But this is how we're looking right now, and the wardrobe will be much taller. I think that'll be really nice over there, and hopefully there's enough room here for the bed and then the toy box at the end of the bed, because that would be really nice. But we'll see. That is where we're at so far. Now I gotta go pick up Coop. Okay, you guys, so the bed is all together. I put the toy box there, his map's still up. Put his dresser here for now. I am gonna bring in that wardrobe like I said. I just think it'll give us more space to put some things. And then what I want to do is I kind of want to get rid of this toy box. I would rather not have that there. It's making it feel a little cluttered. But what I would like to do, because I'll have the wardrobe and it's going to have way more space to organize things, I want to take the stuff out of these bins. Like right now, this one has diapers in it. This one down here has wipes. And the other one too are just like miscellaneous things. And then of course the ones up here have a lot of like crib sheets and stuff, which now I can get rid of because I don't have a crib. So I'm hoping that I can just put some of the stuff that's in here into the wardrobe, and then the rest of the stuff can go up there once I empty out the bin with all the crib sheet stuff for his toddler bed. And then those will be empty and I can put all of his toys in his closet. And I think that that would be a much better use of space. Like I think just his closet should just be where all his toys are. And then we'll have the wardrobe with extra diapers, wipes, and all of his clothing, stuff like that. I think that's where I'm going with this. And then I did pick up two, nursery floating shelves that I'm gonna put up right here to put a few books on, just to have next to his bed. And then the rest of the books will probably go in his closet. Unless, if I get rid of the toy box, I may or may not make a reading nook over there. We'll see. We'll see. It's coming along though. I'm really excited about it, and I'm happy with how it's coming along so far. Okay, I'm just sitting down for a minute. I did get quite a bit done on his room today. I got the bed put together. I moved the dresser, but obviously that's gonna be coming out of here. I'm gonna put the wardrobe in here. He's just looking out his window now that he can sit on the bed and look out the window. He's like looking out the window because before you couldn't really do that. Too cute. But so I'm gonna end today's video here because I feel like it's just gonna get too long if I keep adding things. So in the next video, or next week's video, I'm gonna work on bringing the wardrobe in here, getting his room organized, getting it decorated, and things like that. Hopefully I can fit all that into one video, and hopefully it doesn't get too long. I just know I have quite a bit of footage from today, so I'm gonna split it up into hopefully 2 videos, if not 3, but hopefully just the 2. But I'm just like looking around at all the stuff I still need to do. I still have a lot to do, but we are making progress, which is amazing, and I cannot wait for it to be finished. He's loving it so far. He's been bouncing on his bed and looking out the window and just loving it so far. But yeah, so I'm gonna be working on it tomorrow, but you won't see it until the following week. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna work on bringing the wardrobe in, getting it organized, and yeah, try to get this room put together. I did put this candy cane garland out too in his room. It's like the only Christmas thing in here, but yeah, anyways, that is all to share with you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out, and definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy makeover videos. I have a lot of mobile home makeover videos coming up, and I also have a playlist of them that I can link for you as well. Yeah, I have a lot of more content coming with the mobile home makeovers and things like that, and I also do a lot of decorating and thrifting here on this channel. And I'm thinking that I may or may not take 2 weeks off around Christmas time. So I might do a Q&A. If you guys have any questions you guys want to ask me, let me know in the comments below. And then also I'll probably do a community post asking for people for questions. And then I can pre-film a few videos. So like you won't miss 2 weeks of videos, but I'll be taking 2 weeks off, and I'll just pre-film those videos so that I can have 2 weeks off and just enjoy some time with family and things like that. So that's what I'm kind of thinking about, throwing the idea around, and I probably will do it because it will be nice to spend some time with family. But anyways, if you like this kind of content, I would absolutely love it if you would consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.